Dear students, let me present you an example of the application of the Poisson process. The example is as follows. It is known that on the average, 2 minor accidents occur at a busy crossing per day. What is the probability that at the most 2 minor accidents will occur at this particular crossing during the entire week? Now, how do we solve this one, my dear students? The very first thing to note is that the occurrence rate, lambda, in this example, is equal to 2 minor accidents per day. And the other thing to note is that the unit of time is 1 day. 1 day is acting as 1 unit of time. जिस हिसाब से हमें वो information दी जाती है, उसी से हम derive कर लेते हैं कि what is the unit of time and what is the value of lambda. इसके बाद, once we have noted this, अब इसके बाद हम देख सकते हैं कि जिस चीज में मैं interested हूँ, that is the entire week, not just 1 day. So how many days is 1 week equal to? Obviously, 7 days. Therefore, T is equal to 7. T क्या चीज है? The number of time units that I am interested in. तो obviously अगर 1 day एक time unit के बराबर है, तो 7 days जो हैं, that means that T, the number of time units, is equal to 7. अब इसके बाद हमें जो probability compute करनी है, उसके लिए we will need to multiply this lambda with this T. So we multiply 2 by 7 and we get 14. So occurrence rate per week is 14. 14 minor accidents occur at that busy crossing per week on the average. देखिए बिल्कुल simple बात है. 2 per day. So 2 into 7, 14 per week. So the parameter of the Poisson distribution that we are going to apply just now, it's equal to 14. The value of the parameter, we can say, is 14. और ये जो मैंने कहा कि Poisson distribution apply करने वाले हैं, उसकी वजह क्या है? इसलिए कि it is obvious that the minor accidents occurrence is a random process. हम यानी on the average per day या per week तो कह सकते हैं कि कितने होंगे या expected हैं, लेकिन हम ये नहीं बता सकते कि what would be the exact timing of any one of those accidents. So Poisson distribution का formula जो अब हम लगाना चाहते हैं, वो उसका formula क्या बनेगा? The probability of capital X being equal to small x, some particular value, is equal to e raised to minus lambda t into lambda t whole raised to x over x factorial. अब अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा कि lambda t is equal to 2 into 7 is equal to 14. So what does the formula become? E raised to minus 14 raised to x over x factorial. ये general formula निकल आया, where x can be equal to 0, 1, 2, and so on. X क्या चीज है? Of course, it is the number of occurrences per week. अब हम week के उसके अंदर आ गए ना जी. अब हम सारी गुफ्तगू week के हिसाब से कर रहे हैं. So x represents the number of minor accidents that can occur per week. अब जो हम चाहते थे निकालना वो क्या था? What was our question? The question said, find the probability that at the most 2 minor accidents occur during an entire week. तो students, अगर हम at the most 2 कह रहे हैं, तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? Obviously, x less than or equal to 2, which means either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 2. तो ये जो हमने अभी फॉर्मूला जो अपने सामने रखा, इसके अंदर x को 0 रखिए, x को 1 रखिए और x को 2 भी रख दीजिए, और फिर जो सॉल्व करके जो आंसर आएगा उसके साथ क्या करना है? We are going to apply the special case of the addition theorem. क्योंकि आपको पता ही है कि अगर और की बात हो कि either this or that, और वो इवेंट्स म्यूचुअली एक्सक्लूसिव हों, यानी एक वक्त में एक ही हो सकता हो उनमें से कोई एक, so then of course we will add those probabilities. So as you can now see on the screen, the probability of x being less than or equal to 2 is equal to the probability of x is equal to 0 plus the probability of x is equal to 1 plus the probability of x is equal to 2. अब वो वैल्यूज पुट के करके सॉल्व कर लीजिए. पहला वाला है e raised to minus 14, 14 raised to 0 over 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1, 14 raised to 0 is also 1. So what we are left with is e raised to minus 14. प्लस करें उसके बाद अगला, तो अगला क्या है? e raised to minus 14, 14 raised to 1 which is 14 over 1 factorial which is 1. So ये आ गया 14 e raised to minus 14, और उससे अगले वाला इसी तरह आप खुद सॉल्व कर लीजिए, and that comes out to be 98 into e raised to minus 14. अब इन तीनों को ऐड करें तो what is the final version? Well, we get 113 into e raised to minus 14. लेकिन स्टूडेंट्स ऑब्वियसली हमने यहाँ पे इसको नहीं रोक देना. We actually want to compute the whole thing so that we get the final answer, the actual probability that we are wanting to compute. So therefore, 113 into e raised to minus 14, which can also be written as 113 over e raised to 114. तो अब उस e raised to 114 को solve कर लीजिए, and it comes out to be 1202,592.9591. काफी बड़ा नंबर है. So 113 divided by this number is equal to 0.000009396. So it's very, very, very close to 0. So we can say that the probability that at the most 2 accidents will occur at this particular crossing in a week, this probability is almost 0. It is next to impossible. तो अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? देखिए, ये वाली बात next to impossible है कि ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2 होंगे, और ये वाली बात highly probable है कि 2 से ज्यादा minor accidents occur करेंगे during